Are you tired of Google Chrome constantly asking if you want to translate web pages every time you visit a site in another language? You can easily turn those translation pop-ups off. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Now look at the top corner and tap or click on the three-dot menu. From the menu, go to Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a little and look for the Languages section. Tap on Languages to open more language options. Here you'll find a setting called Offer to send pages in other languages to Google Translate. When this option is enabled, Chrome automatically shows translation suggestions whenever it detects another language on a web page. If you no longer want those pop-ups appearing while browsing, simply turn the toggle switch off. Your changes are saved instantly. Now, when you open websites in different languages, Chrome will stop asking you to translate the page automatically. This makes browsing feel much cleaner and less distracting, especially if you regularly visit multilingual websites. A simple setting, but it can make your browsing experience much smoother and more personalized.